Hello, new school Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Beyblade X ScorpioSpear 070Z. Let's go. Okay. This is the starter. Let's get the actual launcher. This is a nice color. Nice one. Okay.
Barely more than children themselves. Harry looked at their photographs in Hagrid's album, young, and tried to do something other than the missing people he'd never known.
There we go. There's Scorpio. That's cool.
What little there was. The books were vague. They called him you-know-who or he who must not be named and described his rise and fall in broad, terrifying strokes. Great lengths to deny it. He built an army of followers called
Okay. There's the 070
or why the curse had bounced back.
and
A miracle and the foundation
yeah.
of Harry's fame. And the more Harry read about it, the more he suspected that nobody wanted to understand it, because understanding it would mean confronting the possibility.
Here you go. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.